In this video, we reveal the 7 most insane performance coupés of 2025, focused exclusively on explosive acceleration. This list is not speculation. It has been compiled and verified with 0 to 60 miles per hour and 1/4 mile data in November 2025, using the most rigorous sources in the automotive sector, such as Car and Driver and TopSpeed. These high-performance two-door coupés prove that power and status fit perfectly within your post-warranty luxury budget. However, before we dive into the ranking, it is crucial that you know: what is the most common maintenance risk when dealing with the extreme performance of these V8s, V6s, and others? Stay until the end, because we will show you the 3 major risks that a performance coupé brings after the warranty, and we will ask the ultimate question: buy or skip? To begin our list of luxury coupés with explosive acceleration, we start with an icon of status and power that represents the union of British performance with maximum elegance: the Aston Martin DBS Superleggera, or its ultimate version, the DBS 770 Ultimate. These coupés are not just about style, they are high-horsepower machines equipped with a 5.2-liter V12 bi-turbo engine, capable of delivering between 715 and 770 horsepower, depending on the version. With a weight close to 1,845 kilograms, the DBS is capable of recording a 0 to 62 miles per hour time that ranges between 3.2 and 3.4 seconds, with a verified top speed of 340 kilometers per hour. On screen, you will see the performance data from Motor Trend and TopSpeed confirming this fury. The DBS is the pinnacle of luxury, but for the GT Lux audience, it is vital to know the cost of post-warranty exclusivity. The after-warranty check here reveals 3 major risks. First, maintenance of the V12 engine is extremely complex and requires highly specialized labor, causing the costs of major services to easily skyrocket. Second, the carbon ceramic brake system, essential for stopping a 770 horsepower monster, is a component with a prohibitive replacement cost. And third, being a very low-volume car, any specific part of the carbon fiber bodywork or the electronic system has a long delivery time and very high replacement cost, increasing the post-warranty risk. This is not a car meant to be a rational purchase, but rather a purchase of desire and collection. If you are looking for maximum status, the visceral sound of a V12, and the most elegant design among coupés, the DBS is the right investment. Therefore, our verdict is buy, but with one caveat: the DBS is a buy under the condition that the annual budget for post-warranty maintenance is at least 10% of the car's value. Moving up our list of status and acceleration, we arrive at what is, for many, the gateway to maximum performance: the Ferrari Roma, or its convertible version, the Roma Spider. It is the essence of the La Nuova Dolce Vita design, but powered by a V8 bi-turbo engine that means business. This 3.9-liter V8 delivers power approaching 620 horsepower, and with a weight of around 1,472 kilograms, the Roma stands out for its lightness. Thanks to this package, the 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour acceleration is brutal, clocking in at an impressive 3.1 seconds. This is the verified performance that keeps Ferrari at the top, even as a luxury grand tourer. On screen, we will display the detailed numbers from Car and Driver and TopSpeed that support these times. For our after-warranty check, the risks associated with the Ferrari, as expected, are unique. The first is scheduled maintenance and annual services, which are mandatory to maintain the history and resale value, with costs easily exceeding those of any German rival. The second risk is the dual-clutch transmission, an engineering masterpiece that, if it fails after the warranty, requires a massive investment for repair or replacement. And the third point is the sophisticated cabin electronics, which, although modern, can generate unexpected costs for module diagnosis and replacement. The Roma is a symbol of desire, speed, and above all, the incomparable status of the brand. If status and sub 3.5-second acceleration are the top priority, this is the ideal choice. Therefore, our verdict is buy, but the warning is clear: this purchase requires a robust contingency fund, Because the pleasure of the prancing horse is never cheap. Leaving Italian charm aside, we enter the territory of German engineering, where the combination of luxury, technology, and fury is undeniable. The BMW M8 Competition Coupe. This is BMW's luxury grand tourer, built to attack the acceleration of its rivals while offering comfort for long journeys. The heart of the Mi8 is the S63V8 twin-power turbo 4.4-liter engine, a machine that operates with surgical precision. With MX Drive all-wheel drive and the competition version, this V8 delivers around 617 horsepower and a total weight close to 1,890 kilograms. The result on the track is a consistent and utterly violent 0 to 62 miles per hour, verified at approximately 3.0 to 3.2 seconds. On screen, you will see the car and driver and motor trend measurements that place it at the top of the fastest list. In our after-warranty check, the M8's risks, while smaller than the exotics, are crucial. The greatest risk lies in the S63V8 itself, which requires extra attention to the cooling system and the premature wear of some transmission components, especially under extreme use. Second, the extremely advanced onboard electronics can generate intermittent faults in the iDrive and assistance systems, with repair costs that can only be resolved at dealerships. Finally, specific performance tires are changed frequently and have a high cost, a detail that impacts the post-warranty budget. The M8 Competition is the synthesis of discreet luxury and brutal everyday performance. If you are looking for a luxury sleeper that offers the best 0 to 62 miles per hour time on the market for a more accessible price than the Ferrari, this is the car. Our verdict, therefore, is buy. It is a car that delivers supercar performance with the support of a larger dealership network, but demands discipline in preventative maintenance. If you value this in-depth performance and post-warranty analysis, drop your like right now and subscribe to the channel. This signals to YouTube that we should continue to uncover the real data and hidden costs of these luxury rockets. And of course, which coupe on our list so far has the most controversial buy or skip verdict? Comment below and create this performance and luxury debate with us. We now move on to the hybrid response from Germany in our acceleration showdown, the new Mercedes-AMG GT 63 SE Performance Coupe. This is not the four-door sedan, but the new two-seater coupe generation, a machine that combines the 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine with an electric motor on the rear axle, configuring a high-performance plug-in hybrid, PHEV. This complex engineering is the key to its explosive power. The AMG GT 63 SE Performance delivers a combined output of over 800 horsepower, elevating performance to a supercar level, equipped with 4 MATIC plus all-wheel drive and the immediate force of the electric motor. The 0 to 62 miles per hour is simply insane, verified at around 2.4 to 2.8 seconds in tests. On screen, you will see the acceleration data from car and driver and motor trend that place it as the fastest in this upper half of the list. In the after-warranty check, the complexity of the Mercedes-AMG brings new hybrid risks. The first and biggest risk is the PHEV system and the high-voltage battery, which, outside of the warranty, requires extremely expensive diagnosis and repair. The second point is the V8 bi-turbo engine, which, under constant stress, requires strict preventative maintenance to avoid issues with the turbos and the lubrication system. And finally, the active suspension and aerodynamics technology, if it fails, represents a very high replacement cost for proprietary parts, worthy of a hybrid V8. This coupe is the future of luxury performance and proof that the fastest acceleration is on the path to electrification. If you want cutting-edge technology, maximum AMG status, and the best 0 to 62 miles per hour on the list so far, this is the car. Our verdict is buy for those who embrace technology, but it is a buy that requires extra attention to insurance and post-warranty maintenance specialization. We arrive at the final point of our list with what is the definition of German engineering focused on data. The Porsche 911 Turbo S in its 992 generation. It is the true street rocket, the car that consistently humiliates more expensive and powerful supercars from a standing start. The secret lies in the perfect combination of the 3.8-liter twin-turbo flat-six engine and Porsche's legendary all-wheel drive system. This machine delivers about 640 to 650 horsepower. But what truly matters is how that power is delivered to the ground. With a weight of approximately 1,650 kilograms, the 911 Turbo S achieves 0 to 62 miles per hour in a time that seems to defy physics. About 2.6 to 2.7 seconds in the most conservative measurements. This is the lowest time you will see today, and on screen, we display the verified tests from Car and Driver and Motor Trend that confirm its acceleration superiority. For our after-warranty check, the Turbo S has its challenges, although Porsche reliability is often superior. The first risk is what we call the Porsche tax. Replacement parts and specialized services have a significantly higher cost than any German rival. The second crucial point is the maintenance of the dual-clutch PDK transmission, which is a masterpiece of speed but requires expensive periodic services to maintain its insane post-warranty performance. Finally, the complex active suspension and rear axle steering system of the Turbo S, while delivering surgical handling, represents a high cost if specific components need replacement. The 911 Turbo S is the benchmark for performance and reliability on our list. If your focus is the fastest 0 to 62 miles per hour possible, with the best resale support and almost unmatched daily performance, this is the machine. Our verdict for the apex of coupe engineering is a definitive buy, but the golden rule stands. Keep the maintenance history impeccable to preserve its value. We analyze the fury of the DBS, the electrification of the AMG GT, and the unbeatable power of the 911 Turbo S, focusing on 0 to 62 miles per hour data and the crucial after-warranty check. Now, on us, the final verdict is yours. Which of these luxury coupés is the true buy for your post-warranty garage? Leave your comment below and create this performance and status debate with us. Like and subscribe to continue uncovering the hidden costs of high performance, and don't miss the next video